guys, so today is moving day. We're putting the golden poison frogs into the rainforest exhibit, and I'm really excited. We received them from frogdaddy.net, and at the time they were only about half-inch long. They were very small, about the size of a dime nickel, and I wasn't very sure that they would be okay. If I knew they wouldn't be okay if I put them in the rainforest exhibit at that size. Plus, they would have got a lot. It would have been a disaster. Anyway, so when we first received them, we put them in a 10-gallon tank with paper towels and a bromeliad. And I think if you were on our Instagram, you would have seen pictures of it while we had done that. And then when they got a little bit bigger, about an inch, I put them in about a 75-gallon vivarium that we received from Custom Aquariums, cube vivarium, and they did really well in there. And finally, when they got to about 2 inches, I said, well, now they're perfect size for it. So today's the day we're putting them in, and here's that footage. Anyway, so I hope you liked the video. If you do, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the bell icon so you know we're going to be putting out more. We had a little bit of a lull because a lot of things were going on, but I'm going to try to make a lot more video now that the golden poison frogs are in, and we're also planning on doing, we're actually going to start providing a vivarium service for large exhibits. There's some companies out there that do the smaller ones, and I think they have a niche for that. Ours is going to be larger systems, more like a zoo quality exhibit type things for home office, even zoos, small zoos, places like that. Anyway, if you want more information about that, look in the description below, and you can email us, and we'll talk about that with you, and we can go over everything at that time. We are really excited about everything that's happening right now. We're really happy to see the golden poison frogs act totally different than they did in the smaller vivariums. They are actually, I've seen them caught them swimming. I've caught them, they constantly climb, and sometimes they're 5 feet in the air on a ledge, and I'm thinking, man, if they dive off of that, they're going to kill, but they don't. They just jump to a limb and then jump to another side, so they've been doing great. The only couple times I saw something weird was 2 of them, and I don't know if they were doing this on purpose. I have no idea. But they have this one limb. I'll put a picture here or a video of it. I have this one piece of driftwood right in front of the waterfall, and they were actually jumping in the waterfall, then going down, coming back up, and they did it again. And I don't know if they were doing it for the ride or they were doing it to get it. I don't know. I'm going to say that it was an accident. I'm not going to say they were actually doing it on purpose, but who knows? I've seen them do so many crazy things now. But it's really nice to see these little tiny frogs in such a huge exhibit, and that they're using all day long to explore and get around and enjoy it.